Everybody okay with that? We love that. We love that. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to our VHT. Let me share that screen because the photographer was there yesterday. And I'm going to go into my VHT. I'm already logged in here. And here's the property that we did yesterday. It was Eagle Street. I'm going to click on Eagle Street. And let's take a look at the images that we just took. Share this tab instead. So here's the house that I went to yesterday. First floor, big kitchen, living room, dining room, foyer. This is technically the entrance of the house. Primary bedroom, bathroom, upstairs. You go up the stairs that way. There's the stairs. They added a laundry room, storage, nice, beautiful laundry room, another full bath, big bedroom upstairs. That's floor plan. Okay. And then they're separate. So I usually put these because we have them. I'll put this into the MLS as well, add the floor plan. And let's see if my file downloaded yet. Preview. All right. Can you see my tab right there? Can you see pictures?
Yeah.
The house?
Yes.
Okay. See the sky? It didn't look like that yesterday. The sky was completely overcast yesterday morning when we were there. And this photography company, everything is beautiful pictures. See the grass? All nice and green. There's the living room from both directions. The virtual tour is not ready yet. That should be up, he said, in a couple of hours. So I said, forget it. We'll pass on the basement. That's the kitchen. Isn't that nice?
It's beautiful.
This is the bedroom on the first floor. So here's the master bathroom downstairs, excuse me, primary bathroom. And that's very nice. The house is, it looks just like that. So it's not like retouched photos. Everything is just really beautiful. Isn't that nice? The only thing not included in here is the drone. My drone guy is less expensive. Here's the back. Here's from the, looking at the street from the deck. Where do you see this beautiful backyard? That's the big barn. Picture's nice, right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Joe, where is this stuff? Is this on your website?
Where these pictures?
Yeah, what is this that you on right now?
This is the VHT, the photography company.
Oh, okay.
I didn't download them yet. I have to download them, and then I'll put them on the MLS, and also we'll be able to share these pics. That's the barn.
That's great.
This chicken, they got 10 chickens. They were very cute. I left there with eggs yesterday. This is
Nice.
air conditioning in the office part of the garage. So he made an office there. He runs his business out of that. This thing is huge, absolutely massive garage. Like it doesn't, you can't appreciate how big that garage is from here, but it's really big. These are big, giant garage doors that anybody running a business, landscape company, any kind of contractor, they would love this thing. Really nice. Chicken coop. Big old gazebo on the property, 2 acres. Isn't that nice?
Wow.
Pretty
Yeah,
nice.
beautiful.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice property. We need to get it sold.
Fatherland.
Oh, it's ready. Here we go. There's a dollhouse view. Isn't that cool? So you can
Wow.
pick dollhouse and you can steer it and turn it any way you want. If you want to see the property that way, this is what it looks like in 3D. Okay, here we go. All right, so 3D tour. There you go. Go walk through the house. Anybody wants to see the kitchen, you want to look out the window, you want it really accurate, look at the cabinets, look at the condition of everything. That's pretty awesome that you can even do that. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yes, that's awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, people
Wow.
want that stuff. So we can take a tour of the whole place. Anywhere these circles are, that's where the camera was. So you can actually see where the camera was. And then you can even go up the stairs. How amazing is this? That's so awesome. Look at that.
Wow.
So let's just say, I want to turn around and do that again. Back over here. And let's say you wanted to know how big that wall was. So
Maybe it might be easier in the bedroom,
here you go.
in
Right
the
here.
master bedroom.
You put this on one wall and here to here, 4'3". How big is that window? Let's just do another one. How big is that window? Here. You want to know how much how big window you need to buy? Boom, 2'11". Is that sick or what? That is absolutely amazing. You want to see any room in the house. How big is that door? Oh, I don't what size door is that? Can I get my furniture in there? That is a 2'7" door. Is that sick or what? I want to fit my bed here on this wall. Is that going to fit? Boom. Boom, right here. That wall from there to there, 9'10".